Hey man, what's up? What's going on? Back here with the Aaron's Vlogs today. I'm on my way back, not way back, but on my way to my grandmother's house to get my bike. I'm meeting up with my friend Ronnie over what used to be the Colony Mill. Hoping to go for a good decent bike ride today, although the weather looks kind of iffy right now, as you can see. So I'm going to do a time lapse with our ride today, and we'll see where we're going to go. So it should be interesting to do a time lapse. So I'm going to hook the camera to my bike, and then we'll see how that works out. So I'll meet back with Ronnie, and then we'll continue on our ride. So we'll see back in a bit. Hey guys, it's Aaron. It's Ronnie. So we were on a bike ride we're on actually one of the rail trails. So we're going to continue on and see where the trail takes us. There's a bunch of really neat rail trails around Keene. So if you're in the area, you come down, definitely look at the maps and check it out, because a lot of them run like really far distances. Going to Swansea, probably maybe Peterbilt, or maybe.
I think we go all the way down to
Hudson.
Winchester.
Winchester? Alright. But yeah, so we're going to go for a little ride today and check things out, and then hopefully it will be, nice out for us to be on our ride. So I'm going to attach this camera to my bike, and we'll do a time lapse, and we'll have fun with it. So enjoy the ride, enjoy the video. We'll be back in a little while. Peace. So we're back here. We're at 7-Eleven. We just finished our bike routes. So piloting up was it Route 12 there? Kind of like on the way to the recycling center. So a good ride back. It was a really good hefty bike ride. Took the rail trail, as I said before, and that's pretty hefty. I haven't been out far that way before. That was a really good ride.
It was a very good experience for sure.
So we're going to chill for a little bit, and then we'll continue our ride. I'll do some more time lapse, but until then, I'll see you later. Darren. I just got finished with my bike ride about a half hour ago or so. I'm headed back home. It was an awesome ride. Probably almost just about a 10 mile ride, which was really good. A very vigorous ride. Vigorous ride, I should say. But it was good. Decent ride. We're hoping to go for another bike ride next week. We're probably planning for a bike ride once a week, so that'll be good. I'm looking forward to that. But I'm gonna head home, stretch out a little bit, and then get dinner ready and kind of relax for the rest of the day. So I'm not sure what tomorrow will bring, but hopefully I'll get another video in. But hope you enjoyed that time lapse. It was a good little trail ride today. So hope you enjoyed that. I'll be back with another video. Peace. Thanks for watching. Always subscribe, like, and comment. Later. Everybody, what's going on? Back with the Aaron's Vlogs. Today, I'm going to be doing a time lapse of a bike ride today. I was going to go for a bike ride with a buddy of mine, but it's not available today, so I'm going to go by myself. I'm going to hit up the cemetery off of Washington Street here, and then there's also, I thought I'd bike through Ashula Bike Trail up through Wheelock, back down West Street, and then head back here. But beautiful day. I really want to be cooped up outside or inside to be outside today, so I'm going to spend that time outside and do a bike ride and I'll time lapse it for you. Hopefully you'll enjoy this time lapse. And I have more videos to come. I'm just waiting on one of my phone mini memory cards for my phone. Once that gets settled and I figure out how to save more space on my phone, then I'll do that. Alright, peace. My bike ride. Hope you enjoyed that time lapse. I want to go through it again just to get the idea of the other way you can go in and out to the bike path. So hope you enjoyed that portion. I'm sure that the second time around was kind of maybe boring for the first part, but I want to just get so you know the other side of it coming out of going into Court Street, but you can get there from Court Street as well, going in and out of Wheelock Park. So it's always a fun, decent trail. Well, I'm about to head home, changing up because I'm really sweating from biking. But hopefully tomorrow I'll be back with another vlog. I'm not sure of what yet, but oh, that was really loud. Alright, well, enjoy the rest of this day. Back another video. Hopefully soon with more videos after this one and before this one. That's all load up. So peace.